Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this super quick 5-minute full body stretch. So we don't have any time to waste, so let's bring ourselves down to our mats and let's begin. Okay, so let's begin in tabletop today, coming on to hands and knees, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, and we'll just take a few flows through our cat-cow. So inhaling to look forward and drop the belly, exhale, tuck the chin into the chest and rounding the spine. With every inhale, we look forwards, we point the tailbone up. With every exhale, we release the spine up to the sky. And taking a moment here to begin to slow down your breathing so that we're linking up this movement with our breath. Feeling a nice stretch through the spine, through the back. Let's take one more full round of breath here. A nice big inhale and a full exhale. And then come back into center with a nice neutral spine. And from here, we're going to find ourselves in a downward facing dog. So tuck the toes under, spread the fingers wide, and then start to lift the knees and lift the hips and find your downward dog. And maybe we start to make a little bit of movement as we're here, just maybe pedaling out the feet. Maybe bending each knee at a time, or maybe bending both knees at a time. Whatever feels better for you, whatever your body feels like it needs at this point. Just bringing in that movement, stretching out the hamstrings. And then eventually come back into stillness. On your next inhale, reach the right heel up towards the sky, bend the knee and step the right foot in between your hands. Let's lower the back knee, untuck the toes, and reach the fingertips all the way up to the sky, holding it here in your low lunge. Take a full deep breath in. And then as we exhale, we lower the hands to the floor, we send the hips back, and we find our half splits. Take a few deep breaths. And then whenever you're ready, returning all the way back through your low lunge, planting the hands. We're going to tuck the back toes under, lift the back knee, and then step both feet back into your downward facing dog. Maybe come back to stillness again, or maybe find that movement. Whatever feels better, whatever your body needs. Nice, and then on your next inhale, we're going to reach the left heel up to the sky, bend the knee, and step the left foot in between the hands, lower the back knee, and then inhale as we reach the fingertips up to the sky into our low lunge. Breathing deep. Take a big inhale here, reach the fingertips up, and as we exhale, we start to shift the hips back, bring the fingertips to the floor, and lower the upper body over that left leg, half splits. Maybe take one more breath here. And then whenever you're ready to release, come on back through your low lunge. We're going to plant the hands, tuck the back toes under and lift that knee. And then step both feet all the way back into downward facing dog. Take a nice big inhale here. And then as we exhale, we're going to shift the weight forwards, come into your plank. Take another inhale, and as we exhale, bend the elbows, slowly lower down to your belly, untuck the toes, and then inhale to press into the hands, lifting the chest and looking forwards. Take a few deep breaths here, keep the shoulders rolling back, keep the elbows hugging in towards the rib cage. And then on your next exhale, slowly lower all the way back down, press into the hands and come back into a child's pose. We might bring the toes together and the knees apart. We might release the forehead to the mat. And maybe we close the eyes. Gently softening your breath. Allowing your body to come back to stillness. And in your own time, take 3 full breaths. And after your 3rd breath, we can release out of our child's pose by walking the hands all the way back towards the knees, coming into an upright seated position. And maybe we bring our hands together in front of our hearts, just simply thanking ourselves and namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Getting 5 minutes in is better than getting 0 minutes in, so well done to you. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more like this, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.